In this lecture, we will learn about user management in WordPress. WordPress is a robust content management system, and it has very good support of multiple users. You will get the Users menu at the left after Plugins. I will show this user management from my local installation. Click on All Users and you will see a list of all users in the WordPress site. In this site, currently I have only one user with username admin. This admin user has the role of administrator. Role defines what an user can do in the dashboard. You can change the role of any user from this drop-down. If the user has the role of an author, the user can only create posts in the dashboard. An author won't be able to change settings of the site from the dashboard. Besides WordPress, plugins can add roles. At the top you see SEO Editor and SEO Manager, and those roles have come from Yoast SEO plugin. Let's now see how to create a new user. Click on the Add New button. This is the Add New User screen, and here you see the form to create a user. You have to fill the username and email. First name and other fields are optional, so I will keep those blank for now. You can see an auto-generated password. You can use that or generate a new password, or you can type in. I will keep the already generated password. If you want to send an email to new user's email address, keep the check on Send User Notification. Please note, to send email from your WordPress site, the server you are using for WordPress has to be capable of sending email. Another way to send email from WordPress site is to use a plugin and integrate with a mail sending service like SendGrid or MailChimp. I will keep this unchecked. You can select the role of the user from the role drop-down. Default role is subscriber unless you change in the settings. Let's change the role to author for this user. Click Add New User to create the user. The user is created and you can see Editor 1 in the user list. To edit any user, click on the Edit button under that user. Notice that the editing interface of the user has more fields than you see in creating user form. You can fill those information and use them if needed. For example, if you make an author page in the front side, you can show some of this information, like Facebook or Twitter link there. Under the Account Management section, you can set a new password for the user. If you edit any information of the user, click on the Update User button to save those changes. I will log out now and log in as the newly created Editor 1. Username will be Editor 1. I have copied the password. Now I am logged in as Editor 1 and notice the left has very less menu than usual. Here only those menu items are shown, which an author can do. Let's see how the new post screen looks. It is the same as we have seen so far. So you learned about user management now. You can create multiple users with different roles. By learning user management, you have covered all the important topics to become dashboard professional.